Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Aakriti. I make videos every Tuesday and every Saturday, and if you're back, welcome back. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come online. Don't have to introduce my sick voice to you because it has been on the channel so many times. But yes, I have cold again, but that doesn't stop me from filming. So here I am with another video, and today we are doing my bag collection video. So I love bags and I am not a brand person, honestly. I don't care what the brand the bag is from. If I like a bag, I buy it. And these are not all of my bags, but most of them कुछ घर पे हैं, मतलब जयपुर में, तो यहाँ पे जितने भी बैग्स हैं मेरे पास वो सारे आज इस हॉल वीडियो में फीचर करने वाले हैं. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first bag that we're going to talk about is this one, which is extremely glittery and shimmery, but this was gifted to me by my best friend Tamanikar Oberoi. This is from the Ivory Tag, and I like it because it's a tote and it is very spacious. So yeah, it has a pocket here in back ऐसे बीच में. It's a छोटू pocket for sanitary napkins, lip balms, blah blah, and cute. Next up we have this laptop bag from Chumak. It comes with such a handle and a zip. This is for a 13-inch laptop, so my MacBook is 13 inches long and this bag holds it very well. Next up we have this cute bag which says cool, and it has rope handles and it has a big zip. इसके अंदर कोई storage नहीं है. This is like a tote, but a छोटा one, and this was from a 99 store. I saw this and I bought it, and I love it how cute this is. Very economical and very lasting. Long lasting. So that. Next up, you guys already know, this is my Ellen Solly bag which I got for my birthday, and I'm using it shamelessly every day to office. It holds a lot of my stuff, not even kidding. It's very heavy, but it is performing very nice for me. It holds my laptop, all my notebooks, a lot of my accessories, a lot of my daily use ka saman, which is also unnecessary to carry every day, but I still do, and this bag is holding it very well. So next up we have this crazy bag. This is a cute sling bag. It is a weird shape bag, but I like it very much. इसमें यहाँ पीछे एक पॉकेट है. ऑल्सो ये फ्लिप है, तो इसको खोल के ये इतना स्टोरेज है. यहाँ पे एक छोटू पॉकेट और एक और छोटू पॉकेट इधर. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. Also, I have a sanitary napkin in the bag, so oh yeah. Next up, we have this cute hard fluff bag from Shein. It is a useless bag. It holds nothing, not even my phone, but I like it very much. This I bought for my convocation wali sari because it matched so well. It has a golden string like this one, and एक छोटू सा पॉकेट है स्टोरेज के लिए. बस इतना ही कैपेसिटी है इसका, और बाकी cute design. I really like it. It's so soft and so cute. Love it. Next up I have this bag जो बहुत गंदा हो चुका. I used to use it every day until I got this one here. So this is from a brand which I forgot, but I will mention in the description box below. It has a cute pocket here. It is washable. I'm going to wash it very soon. I don't know when, but soon. I have put these 3 badges here because I just like it. एक है हम पिघलते नहीं by Zakir Khan, then one is Smelly Cat from Friends, and another one is The Joker, Why So Serious. So I like these, and like and I think this is a very cute bag. I used it when I was in college and I used it when I went to office. So yeah. Next up, I have this cute chulu sling bag which is round and it has this cute emoji face ear. It has a lamba string. काफ़ी कम capacity है इसकी, but who cares when it's a cute bag? See, this much capacity, but it holds my phone and my wallet and my keys, so it's good for a chotu paas ka outing, and I think it's really cute. I bought it from Amazon, and I think it was a very good buy. Next up, I have this cute bag which says I will greet this day with love in my heart. This is a cloth bag which I got from Miniso, and I think the print is very very cute. It's a skull with a princess crown, a tiara, and I think I love it very much. ये से आजकल ये grocery shopping के काम आ रहा है, but I love this thing. I love it. Next up, I have a very cute but also very usable bag. So I go to shopping and I hate to spend money on paper bags or those bags that brands give when they charge money. I think it's pointless to pay for those, and that's why I carry this always. This is my shopping bag. I got this from Nepal बहुत साल पहले, और मेरे को बहुत ही यूजफुल लगता है. ये ऐसे खुल जाता है पूरा बैग, और ये जो इसका बंद करने का चीज़ है, ये इसका लॉक बन जाता है एक तरीके से, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट बिकम्स. इसके अंदर मैं सब कुछ रख लेती हूँ, और ये इतना छोटा होता है ना, कैरी करने के लिए भी बहुत ईजी है. इसको मैं अपने किसी भी स्लिंग बैग में डाल के निकल लेती हूँ. इसमें एक छोटा सा पॉकेट है इधर, ये पॉकेट इतना छोटा सा, और काफ़ी स्पेशियस है ये बैग. काफ़ी ज़्यादा काम आता है ये मेरे. फोल्ड किया और बैग इतना सा हो जाता है, और वॉलेट के साथ में वो कभी भी कहीं भी रख लेती हूँ. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव दिस क्यूट बैग विच इज़ अ बम बैग फ्रॉम H&M. This is from the men's section at H&M, क्योंकि women's section के bags unnecessarily बहुत expensive थे, और उनके इतने पैसे देना मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. तो ये H&M के male section में से बैग है. Solves the purpose. ये मैंने गोवा में यूज़ किया था बहुत ज़्यादा. This is waterproof by the way, so you can store all your cards, wallet, phone, सब कुछ इसके अंदर. इसमें से आगे एक चेन है और इसके बाद एक अंदर चेन है. ये तो सारा जो काम का सामान है वो और भी अंदर जा सकता है और बाहर रह सकता है. इट्स वाटरप्रूफ, ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड, सो कैन गारंटी. Next up is this bag which I got from Nanate Lepore, which is an American brand, and this I've already shown you guys in my 22 gifts that I got on my 22nd birthday video. So if you guys haven't checked it out, please go check that out. So this bag is a very very interesting capacity bag. It's a sling, but it has इतनी capacity कि सारा सामान इसमें भर सकती हूँ मैं. दिस छोटा पॉकेट हियर, देन दिस बड़ा पॉकेट, देन इसके अंदर बड़े पॉकेट के अंदर दो और छोटे पॉकेट्स, फिर आगे एक और पॉकेट, उसके आगे एक और पॉकेट जहाँ पे सारे कार्ड्स स्पेस है. लाइक दिस, ऑल द कार्ड्स कैन कम इधर, और इसके आगे एक और छोटा पॉकेट जिसके अंदर फ़ोन वगैरह आ सकता है. सो लव दिस बैग and so cute. Next up I have sling, which is very cute. Not so pure leather because I'm not a leather person. काफ़ी सालों से चल रहा है ये, और इसको अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ है. सो इट्स रियली इकोनॉमिकल. इसमें पीछे एक चेयर है यहाँ पे, और इसको खोल के फ्लिप को यहाँ पे एक है और यहाँ पे एक है, और इसको बंद कर दो तो ये बंद हो जाता है, और इसके अंदर कितना भी सामान ठूस सकते हैं क्योंकि मैंने ट्राई कर रखा है. इसके अंदर सब कुछ आ जाता है सब. Next up I've got this cute sling bag which has one uncle and one auntie here and this cute design here. इसका sling मुझे बहुत ही cute लगा था. जो इसका बेल्ट है इसमें से कुछ तो भी लिखा हुआ है, पता नहीं क्या. chain and bag 1980 city and life न्यू फैशन पता नहीं क्या, और ये क्लब फैक्ट्री से है। इसके अंदर बस इतना स्पेस है और कोई स्पेस नहीं है, पर इसके अंदर मेरा फ़ोन, वॉलेट और कीज़ आ जाते हैं, सो गुड इनफ। क्यूट इज़न्ट इट? नेक्स्ट अप I have this tote which is yellow in color and has a pineapple on it. This is from Mini. So इसके अंदर ये किंच बटन है और इतना स्पेस जो बहुत काफ़ी है मेरे लिए, और इसके अंदर एक और पॉकेट है ये छोटे सामान के लिए, ताकि वो इतने बड़े बैग के अंदर खो ना जाए। तो एक छोटा पॉकेट यहाँ पे, और इसको बंद कर दो तो सारा सामान सेफ रहेगा। Also this is waterproof, cleanable, easily washable, so I like it very much. This is the most recent purchase, by the way. Next up I have this very chota backpack. Should not be counted as a backpack, and my mom thinks this is a waste of money, but I love it. This is from Miniso yet again. एक छोटा स्पेस इधर और एक बहुत ही छोटा यूजलेस पॉकेट इधर, बट कितना ही सामान डालना है यार। I like this very much and it's, I think, very cute. Next up, I have this bag which became very popular in my college. It is called Emotional Baggage. This is from Shein. It's a cloth bag but holds a lot of stuff. इतना space है इसके अंदर, इतना स्पेस है इसके अंदर यहाँ पे, और एक छोटा पॉकेट इधर ताकि छोटा सामान आ जाए। And I think it's extremely cute, and it holds a lot of stuff, by the way, क्योंकि tried and tested ये तक है। कॉलेज में सारा सामान भर के मैं जो लेकर जाती थी इसमें सब होल्ड करता था। Then I have this cute little छोटा सा clear bag. इसके अंदर ये एक्स्ट्रा पॉकेट है जिसकी excuse me, जिसकी ज़रूरत ना हो तो मैं इसको निकाल के रख सकती हूँ और ये बैग ऐसे क्लियर हो जाता है। I love this buckle detailing on this bag. इधर ये और इसके strings बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute है। I got it from an exhibition जो जयपुर में लगी थी। तो ये print भी बहुत cute लगता है, so I don't mind carrying it, by the way. But मैं इसको mostly ऐसे यूज़ करती हूँ, तो ये और भी ज़्यादा cute हो जाता है। इसका पॉकेट मैं पीछे कर लेती हूँ और ये ऐसे हो जाता है, so no problem at all. Next up, I got this bag. This very little useless sling bag, which is extremely beautiful. This is all beaded and handwork. I got this from an exhibition जो जयपुर में लगी थी yet again. It has all the beads और इसमें पीछे भी इतनी cute detailing है, इसकी पूरी strand में इतनी cute detailing है, so I like it. Then there's this tape वाला system here. You flip this up और इसके अंदर बस इतनी सी जगह है, but I like it. और एक छोटू सा zip pocket है इसके अंदर यहाँ पे, जिसके अंदर basically सिर्फ tissues और sanitary napkin आ सकते हैं, इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं। और इसके अंदर मेरा phone भी fit नहीं होता है, but isn't it so cute? And I love the color scheme, the red, green, black and blue. They complement each other a lot, and I think I don't need anything else in a bag. Next up, I have this cute bag, which is my favorite. अभी पूरे जब से मैंने लिया तब से ये मेरा favorite है. It is called Little Beauty. This is from Shein, washable, waterproof, very cute, holds a lot of things. काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्पेस है इसके अंदर compared to all the other sling bags that I have. This zip is very cute. इसका strand भी बहुत अच्छा है, plain black, a little broad, but I like it, so got this. Next I have this jute bag, which again I got from an exhibition that was held in Jaipur. ये jute bags आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा in है, and they are hell expensive at places like Zara, but I got this one from an exhibition and I think it solves my purpose, and it's very cute. When you pair it with cute dresses or when you pair it with skirts, it looks very beautiful. So boho, although I feel कि ये बंद होने का कुछ होना चाहिए था इसके अंदर सिस्टम, बट ऐसे भी चलता है, मेरे को चलता है इसके अंदर ये ऐसे है. And I have got a very cute ऐसी एक्सेसरी इसके ऊपर लगाने की from Shein, but I don't have it here. It's in Jaipur, unfortunately, so I can't show it to you guys. But I think this is a cute. So this purchase is the last purchase that I'm going to be showing here. I have included as many bags as I could, and that's it for today's video. I'm tired of speaking and I need lots of hot water now. So I will see you on Saturday with a #SelfCareSaturday video. And if you like this video, do not forget to like it. Comment down below what's your favorite bag. Also comment down below if you're gonna buy any of these, because I would love to know if you're interested to buy any of these. All the bags that I've shown here will be linked in the description box below, but the ones that are bought from exhibitions might not be linked because ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा नहीं, but all of them जितने भी मुझे मिलेंगे वो सब मैं लिंक कर दूँगी. If you really like this video, please do not forget to share the video. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the cute little bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I come online or post an update. See you very soon, guys. Also keep loving yourself no matter how much your body annoys you, because my body has been giving me extreme headache and a running nose, also a blocked one, and I cannot sleep at night. So never mind, keep loving yourself because you deserve all the love in the world, and know that I love you guys so much. See you very soon. Till then, ta-ta.